guys, what's up? Today we are seeing why we should study management. There are 3 reasons why we should study management. Alright, do know I have a guidebook of management. It will be linked in the description box. Do get it. I have written everything very nicely, as well as I have done some review questions, and there are some MCQs and case studies and stuff like that. You are totally going to love it. So, 3 reasons why we should study management. First one is it is universal. Every organization, regardless of its type and size, needs a manager. And we are in contact with a lot of organizations throughout our lives. And we have to understand how management works in order to better communicate with them and even make things better for them as well as for yourself. Next is reality of work. It's very likely that after graduation, you are going to either manage someone or you will be managed yourself. When you are managed, you have to understand how your boss thinks and the actions he is taking and the consequences or rewards behind it. You have to understand exactly what comes with being a manager so you can understand your boss easily and allow him as well as yourself to make things smooth and better for both of you. Next is rewards and challenges of being a manager. We study management in order to recognize exactly what are the rewards and challenges of being a manager. It helps us in understanding the struggle of a manager as well as the recognition and rewards he gets. And it will also help you in understanding if you want to opt for becoming a manager or not. Sometimes some people don't want to become a manager as such. That's perfectly fine. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, do subscribe and share. Make sure to get the guidebook. It will be linked in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. And